All right, welcome back to another hip hop breakdown. Here we go. Let's check it out. 2, 3, 4. Slide. 1 and 2. Spin to the bend. And 3, 4. 3, 4. All right, that's it. First of all, I want to thank Alexis right here, my beautiful assistant here. So we were dancing out of Cabrillo College, and this is at the Aptos location. We're breaking this down. We added a little bit more from the last breakdown, and I want to break this down here with Alexis. Again, before you start, everybody hit that like button. It helps with the rating, with the ranking of the channel. So hit that, subscribe if you haven't already, hit the bell and all that good stuff. Anyways, let's get right into it. First thing we did, if you've seen the previous video, so this is kind of the review. The first 2 8 counts are kind of review. So I'm gonna go over it real quick. Let's just check it out. 2, 3, 4. One of the things that I remember I said I didn't say in the previous video is I said there's 2 things, right? You have your foot going out as well as the rotation of the hip. One of the things that I forgot to mention earlier is watch the level of the hip. Okay, there's a sitting down. See how my knees are bent when my legs are together? You want to be low in the center. When I step out here is 1 right here. Obviously, my knees are straightened, so I'm high. I'm stepping up high. And then come back in, boom, right here. See, notice my knees are bent. Actually, both knees are bent, so the hip is down. So in my class, I explained that when your legs are together, you want to bend down. So there's some level changes going on, okay? So notice that. 3, 4, sitting here, all right? So let's take a look, tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here you could easily see how I'm a little bit lower here. I'm gonna run it just one more time. So be aware of that. Down, up, down. All right, moving forward. Here we go. Kickball change. 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Let's try that one more time. I think. Hold on a second. 5. Okay. Yeah, I cut a little bit. So we are kicking with your right leg. With my right leg here. Alexis made a little boo-boo right there. She actually kicked with the wrong leg, but that's all right. 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Okay. Let's take a look. Tempo. 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Yep, she did it good right there. All right. Moving forward, again, I'm going through this real quick because in the previous video we went through this already. And 2, 3, and 4. All right, that's just a little jump. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay. One of the things that I also want to make sure that everybody's aware of, when I jump out, 1 and 2 right there. Right on the 2. Notice the knees bent. So your body's absorbing the shock, all right? So we're not stepping out. We're not jumping out with our knees straight because that's too much impact. So you want to bend. Make sure you want to bend. 3 and 4 right there, okay? Here we go. So the next part, we're doing our spin. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. All right. Again, I'm breaking it down real quick, but just to make sure, when you spinning, bring your arms in, brings everything in, because that makes a spin a little bit easier, especially if you're going for the 360. Again, one of the tips is for a lot of beginners or first-time dancers who never spin before, it's easy to get dizzy. So don't try to do 360 the first time. Do a 90 degree, which is really easy. And then 180, which is semi-easy, and then it starts getting a little bit more difficult when you start passing the 180. So when I say 180, I mean 180 degrees. Okay, so now you want to try maybe 270 degrees, slowly, try to get your spin a little bit more. Okay, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, all right, moving forward. 4, 5 and 6 and 8. Da 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 Okay, cool. I think so far up to there is review. Now here's the new stuff. Here's the new stuff. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. All right. So notice when we, for the previous one, we landed here and on 8. Right on 1, we're punching out. 1. Okay. Punch out on the 1. 1 and on the end, I slap. All right. We slap on that. 1 and 2. On the 2, I'm grabbing to my right side. Grab to the right and I shake, take a peek, right? Take a peek to my right and come back. Take a peek and come back. And then stomp. All right. So one more time. Review. Halftime. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. All right. So that's it. Let's try that one tempo together. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. All right. So that was kind of fast, but let's try that one more time together. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Okay. Next part. So if you have trouble with that, just go ahead and rewind it. But I want to break it down anytime during this video. The great thing about these clips is you guys could always rewind it. So moving forward. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So right there, that's just a heel tap. All right. So in the class, when I taught it, we did a heel tap to the front. But in our choreography, we're heel tapping to the side. Right there. Notice the feet pointing to the, this is my left. Okay, pointing to the left side. This is 5. Notice the heel, right? Clearly only the heel touch. 5 and 6. 6 is the other side, my right. 5 and 6 and 6 and 7 and 8 cross, right? So it's the left leg crossing. 7 and 8. Right on 8, when I step, my legs are straight. Okay, 7 and 8. So let's try that tempo. So that song was kind of fast, but it's not too hard to do. So it's basically legs. Okay, moving forward. Two and 3 and 4. Okay, this is a more leg stuff. But now this is the thing. We're pivoting on the ball of our feet. Okay, we're pivoting on the ball of our feet. Make sure though. Make sure when we start. Make sure when we start that your heels or your toes are pointing out. Okay, make sure they're pointing out, away, away. So when I'm pivoting, watch how I pivot. I'm pivoting. So the ball is on the ground and the heels are the ones that's moving out. So 7, slow. 1 and notice that 1 and now this is when I'm doing that. I'm going down. All right, I'm going down. What I mean by going down? My chest is going down. The whole thing. You can see the level change. Okay, here we go. Slow. 1 and 2 and. On the 2 and, when I put my heels back in, toes pointing out, my body does not come up. I stay down. Okay, 1 and 2 and 3 and. While I'm doing the 3 and, the body stays here. Right on the 4, I jump up, stand straight and tall. Okay, one more time, halftime. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Alexis is doing a great job. I didn't really need to say anything because she's doing exactly what I'm showing. So great job, Alexis. Moving forward, here we go. This is quick. Da 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 da. She did a great job right there too. One more time. I love watching it. Da 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 da. Yes. All right, that's it. Move forward. Let's see what we got. And 6 and 7, 8. So that's our last portion. That's our last 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So this is kind of like a kickball change to the side. Okay. Think about it. Let's just focus on the legs. Focus on the legs right now. 5 and 6. 5 and 6, right? 5 and 6, and then watch and 7 and 7, and just hold it, and 8. That's the hands. Okay, that's the arm. Let's watch the arms now, just the arms. 5 and 6 and 7, 8. So your hands just go basically side to side. 5 and 6 and 7, and then give yourself 5 at the end. All right. One more time, half time. 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Okay. All right, here we go. I think we're gonna do this tempo. 5 and 6 and 7, 8. This is a little bit fast, but looks good. One more time. 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Nice. Okay. We're moving back, and we're gonna just do the second half. The second half tempo, I believe. Here we go. Yeah, that was me screwing up right there. So I think the reason why I put this in is because everybody makes mistakes. It's okay. Just have fun with it. I think, what did I do? Let's take a look. 2 and 3, 4, 5. Ah, there you go. It was supposed to be the left leg. I did the right leg, and I screwed both of us up. But that's all right. Here we go. Let's see if I could do this one correctly now. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. All right. So I didn't mess up there. Let's take a look at the whole thing together now. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 8. New part. 3, 4, 6, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Da 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 da. And that is it for today. All right. Hopefully you guys learned some tips, learn some tricks, practice it, make it fun, have fun with your friends doing it, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.